Karnataka TET 2025 key answer analysis, question number 96 to 102. The area of the circle is 49 pi square units. Then the area of the quadrant is, quadrant means 1 by 4 into area of the circle 49 pi. 49 pi by 4 is square units is the correct answer. Next question, the average of the group of the numbers 1, 4, 10, p, 16 is 9. Then the value of p. You have to add the 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus p plus 16 is equal to 9. Totally 5 numbers divided by 5. 31, we have to add numerator 31 plus p, we get 31 plus p is equal to 41. Shift to the 31 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 31. 45 minus 31, we get p is equal to 14. Next, the product of two numbers is minus 28 by 27. If one number is minus 4 by 9, then the another number is, we don't know another number, we know the first number minus 4 by 9 as it is. We don't know second number, put x is equal to minus 28 by 27. X is equal to minus 28 by 27. Shift to the minus 4 by 9, it becomes reciprocal. 9 by minus 4, minus minus points cancel. 4 1 is 4 7 is 28. 7 9 is 63 and 27. 9 7 is 63. 9 3 is 27. Therefore, we get another number is 7 by 3 is the correct answer. Next question. The volume of a cone when its base area is 49 pi centimeter square, then the height is 12 centimeter is. The answer is 196 pi centimeter cube. We know the formula 1 by 3 base area into height. Base area they given 49 pi, height they given 12. When you will multiply these three, we get multiply 49 times 12 and divided by 3, we get 196 pi centimeter cube. Because it is a volume, we have to mention in centimeter cube. Next question. The three numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then the sum of these squares is equal to 896. You have to take ratio as x, 2x, 3x. The sum of this square means you have to add x square plus 4x square plus 9x square. When you add this, we get 3, we get 14x square is equal to 896 they given. Shift to the 14, divide, it becomes divide. 14, 64 we get 896. Therefore, square root of 64 is 8. Put the value of x is equal to x in this form. X is equal to 8. 2 times x we get 16 and 3 times x, 3 8s are 24. Therefore, 8 6 24 is the correct answer. Next, the distance between the origin and a point minus a is, the answer for this question is distance between origin and the origin. Origin means 0 comma 0 and point minus a comma a. Distance formula without x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, minus a 0 whole square plus a minus 0 whole square. We get minus a whole square minus a square plus a square. We get 2a square. A square, we remove square root becomes outside. A square root 2 is the correct answer. A square root 2 unit is the correct answer. Next, option D is the correct answer. Next, the sum of square of two consecutive multiple of 7 is 637. The numbers are, when you take 7 and 14, 7 square means 49, 14 square means 441. When you add these two numbers, we get 637. This is the answer. 49 21 49 21 is the answer. When you multiply 21 into 21, we get 441. 441 plus 49, we get 637. Therefore, option 2, 49 21 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.